Hey there, my cool friends. I'm back. Today I'm flying to Boston, Massachusetts. Gonna visit my sister. Gonna see my nephews, my nieces, and my grandkid, my sister's grandkid. Yeah, join me. Hopefully we can go fishing a little bit, get lucky, and maybe golfing a little bit. Hopefully. And driving down Pocasset roads. It's nice and lush. RDC driver. Sister's the passenger too. Right there. Oh, mailman. This gotta be slick when snow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, especially that downhill right there. Yeah. Here at the backyard at Grace's house. It's 7:30 at night. Still bright out here. That's the shed for the pool. It's raining though. It's nice. That's the house. That's the kitchen. That's a woodshed. And the Bloody Mary. Salute. It's a beautiful day here in Pocasset, guys. It's about 65 degrees, a little cloudy, a little bit breeze. Sun is picking in and out. And we're taking Stephanie out. A little Stephanie here. They were saying there's a lot of sea bass floating around, so let's see how lucky we can get today. Maybe we can have some nice sea bass for dinner. All right, let's go. I'm waiting for Brian. All right, Brian, you're gonna show us the spot, man, where to go.
TV, baby.
All right.
Hopefully we get lucky.
There you go. Show us the way, bud. Calm seas, guys. So it should be an easy fishing. Fish or not. I believe last time we were here, man, our boat wasn't even running like this when we got home. It's like,
What's that?
we were like running we're trolling.
Yeah.
The last time because the engine was broken or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like that's kind of scary.
That didn't work too well. We should be good today.
All right, again, we're fishing.
Promising.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. It's been a successful fishing adventure. We get a couple of few sea bass, and we're gonna cook him. I'll show you what we got. It's inside that cooler right here. Yeah. All right. Still breathing. I love this part of the world. Massachusetts, Pocasset. I would hang out here any time of the day. Lovely day too. It's a nice day to go fishing, guys. So this is a nice place to retire, I think. So we'll see ya. We'll cook some fish. Bye. All right, time to reel back in. It's been a successful adventure. Secured? Right on. Sweet. Stephanie's back. Check out those fishies. Hee-hee, there it is. They got food. There you go. Here it is. Finished product. Just squeeze some little lemon there. Yeah. Oh yeah. One is fry, air fry, and one is broiled. Black sea bass, fresh from the ocean. Compliments of Brian and Tom. Thank you both, Stephanie, for having your little yacht. So this is the product of the success. It's a beauty. It's a restaurant quality. It really didn't smell. Like fishy smell.
Can you smell it through the camera?
Salute.
When you didn't fry them, you
Wow.
eat the whole thing.
Pretty good.
Chowing down.
Chowing down, son of baby.
Thank you, fish.
Maybe next time we'll have,
We're gonna eat you all.
Well, I didn't get all the scales.
All right. Dinner for tonight. Tenderloin. Brian is making it. We get some shrimp over in here.
I'll get a bag going.
Yeah, you need help, man? You're good?
Sprinkle this with
Got it. Sprinkle with olive oil.
just a little sprinkle.
Yeah.
I don't like that wire.
No, you're not supposed to be in here for you, bud.
There's a little slippy here. I'll open this window.
That was a rather large.
Ooh, look at that pig.
Oh, we all want to be here for work today.
It was the fucking funniest thing ever.
And we're having an Osubuku oxtail. Hey.
Oh. Here, Tom, get us cheersing with the 3-month-old.
Okay. Hey, right? It's our 3rd month birthday.
Mom asked me how many shots.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy 3rd month birthday, kid.
If you're having a voice.
There you go.
Gotta overlap, you know, like when you're painting.
Yep.
Congratulations.
Always finish your brush strokes towards the wet.
Yeah, thanks. Yep.
Brian, is lobster okay?
That's good.
I am like the lobster for this photo.
Put the thermal in it.
Maybe
There
we
you
should
go.
Maybe we should move that over. That thing to Duke.
We're having that too. Holy lobster.
Where's Duke?
Man.
Where's Duke?
Brian is boiling water out there for steamed
No,
lobster
it's fine.
tonight. There you go.
Oh, let it go flap, flap, flap.
Oh!
Boom. Hey.
Take a second look.
No.
Hey.
Go inside.
There. Bye. See you later. Alright guys, this is Brian's fixed product of the tenderloin.
Need tinfoil?
Now we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes.
Sit.
Oh yeah.
Sit.
Sit! You go sit. There you go, guys. We got some lobster here. We got some butter. That's your place setting. We get some shrimp. Made some polenta. And we made some oxtail, kind of osobuco style. And so it's braised, it's stewed, and it's soft. There you go, guys. Let's have some dinner. And we're waiting for Brian's steak.
Where'd you go?
That's Brian's steak.
I've been playing alright.
Chilling like a villain.
I am in the tournament tomorrow.
No way. Say hi, Brian.
What's going on, everyone?
Playing golf, guys, at Cape Cod Community Golf Club, right here. And if you haven't seen a freaking round green, here it is. Round. It's just a circle. That's nice. On the deck, Brian Saponaro. Alright, alright. Tip in the putt.
Par 3, 140 to the pin. Alright. He's at the beach.
Alright, guys, my 6 days vacation is done. I'm here back in Las Vegas. Wifey just picked me up. Yay! That was a good time. That was a good time. I'll do it again. See ya. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
What up, cowboy?
Oh my god.
Yeah, like a rhinestone cowboy.
You gotta tip your hat.
Uh,
Hey, yeah. Tip your hat.